Ndewonu. No, this is Igbo Daily. In the previous classes, we learned some greetings and when to use them. How well do you remember them? If you don't, please do a quick revision by going back to those classes, okay? Today, we'll be learning Introduction, Nkowa. Introduction, Nkowa. This word basically just translates to description. You're describing something. So a good conversation starter is a very good introduction of oneself, don't you think so? So today we will be learning how to introduce yourself. You start with Ndewo. We know that means hello. Ibolachi. That means good morning. My name is Mr. Okeke. Ahambo Mazi Okeke. Ahambo Mazi Okeke. That's a new word. Aha means name. Ahambo Mazi Okeke. This translates to, my name is Mr. Okeke. Abumonya Anambra. Kedo Makagi. I am from Anambra. What about you? So you've learned these new words today. Please go out and use them.